Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I am now in Dublin, Ireland. I'm staying at Moxy's Dublin city centre. This is not a luxury hotel, but I just arrived. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon and I'll be here for a couple hours and leaving quite early tomorrow morning to somewhere else. And that's why I picked this location where it is close by and for a good night's sleep. So I just want to do a very quick room tour because the room has really nothing much, but it's my first time to stay in a Moxy, and it's, you know, for the younger, more playful, that I am pretty comfortable with. You know, the room size is not too bad. There is no wardrobe, so the hangers over there, you hang things up, the luggage rack over there, but they still comfortably has a lacy chair that you can sit, and a good queen size bed. And then even with the space they have, they still have the water kettle for boiling water, as well as the tea bags, and of course, you know, some water here. Okay, and then very interestingly designed old telephone, the TV, and then the bathroom is clean and comfortable, and they even have the rain shower. So as I say, it's my first time staying in the Moxy. The lobby is quite playful and quite nicely designed. I think that's more to show you on their design than the room itself. But I am pleasantly surprised with the Moxy product. And then I'm on the 6th floor, which is the highest floor. So there's not much view here as I expect. So opposite to a building, but that was pretty empty. So here I am in Dublin. So I'm going to show you more as I go. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm back in Dublin and I'm back at the Moxy for an overnight stay for just a couple hours again, and then going back home via London back to Toronto. So I just want to show quickly, I booked the same room type, everything same, but obviously this is a different room, 512. It seems like a bigger room when I walk in. So they do have the same queen size bed, and then the sitting lacy chair, and then this is the part that I think is bigger, you know, where I can put the luggage. In my last room tour, I don't think it's this spacious that I can put the luggage. And then the bathroom is pretty much the same with the rain shower. But it's quite inconsistent with the offering because there's no water. You know, that is my own bottle. There's no water here, but the same phone, the same water, kettle, and TV and such. So just want to show you a different room. That is the same room type. This is definitely more spacious than the room that I stayed earlier on. So just showing.